In this video, I will show you how to download Joyn app on your Samsung Smart TV. Here's a very easy and fast process. I can subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. So if you're using Samsung Smart TV like mine and want to download Joyn application on it, here's what to do. First thing, connect to the internet. After connecting to the internet, you're going to try and locate your app store. Once you see your app store, just go ahead and launch it. And here's how mine looks like. Yours might look different depending on the Samsung Smart TV operating system that you have. So once you come over here, the easiest way to get the application is just to go ahead and search it. Or you can just come over to this app and search for the application by just scrolling through the app store. But let's be quick. For the sake of this video, let's do this quick. So just come over here and then we're going to type in join. So follow me carefully. And as I said earlier, if you like this video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this. So here's the application join, and then you go ahead and click on done. So once you click on that, the application is going to show. So there are two versions. There is this version and there is this version. So you choose the one you're okay with or the one you're currently in search of. And here's the one I'm searching for. So I just go ahead and click on download. And the application is going to be downloaded and installed to my Samsung Smart TV. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful.